everyone. Welcome to the VictoryVibes channel.
Welcome to the next video in your 100-day blogging course. In today's video, we are going to have a look at how to install WPtouch mobile plugin. We will also have a look at how to install W3 Total Cache and what it does. And then we will go ahead and customize the menu. So first, let's go into plugins and click on Add New. So here I would go ahead and search for W3 Total Cache. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. So you can access W3 Total Cache from the Performance tab here. So what W3 Total Cache does is that it creates static pages of your WordPress blog. So your WordPress blog is built on the PHP platform. And if you don't have a caching plugin like this, what happens is that every time your page loads, it consumes a lot of server resources. So W3 Total Cache creates static HTML pages. If you do not clearly understand what it does, it's okay. Even I don't clearly understand. But I just know that you need to add W3 Total Cache for your server performance to improve or your page load speed to improve. So whenever you make any major changes on your site, you have to go ahead and click on empty all caches because, as I said, it creates static HTML pages. And whenever you activate a plugin or deactivate a plugin, you can click on empty all caches. But other than that, you don't really need to do anything. You can just install W3 Total Cache and just leave it at it. So if I go ahead and check my blog, everything is loading properly and there is nothing really that you will feel changed in the front end. So let me go into plugins again and click on Add New. So I would add WPtouch mobile plugin. So many themes are responsive things and it appears on mobile versions as well, but some themes that we use are not responsive themes. So it wouldn't resize properly and there would be a lot of issues with it. So WPtouch mobile plugin creates a mobile version of your web page, and that is what I use for Digital Deepak as well. So I would go ahead and click on Activate. So once I have installed this plugin, you can check Biker Boy on a mobile phone and it would look differently because it has its own theme and it displays in mobile format. So I can go ahead and check the settings of WPtouch. So now that we have installed W3 Total Cache and we have also installed the WPtouch mobile plugin, now let's look at how to customize the menu bar. So I would go into Appearance, click on Menus. So here you can see this is the menu we have and it also shows Add a Menu. So the menu format in most of the themes are similar. So here you can go ahead and give a menu name. So I would click on Primary Menu as the menu setting. So here I can add pages and posts to the menu if I want. Let's say if I want to add this particular blog post to the menu, then let me go ahead and check the website. So now you can see that the post has come inside the menu. So you don't need to add posts as menus. You will probably add pages, something like About Me page, Contact Me page, and things like that. And that is something that you can experiment with the edit menu section. So since this was just an experiment, I will just go ahead and remove this post and click on Save. So now if I refresh this page, this has gone. So here I will be adding more menus like about me, contact us, top articles, and pages like that. And so that's about it for today's lesson. We installed W3 Cache, WPtouch, and we saw how we can edit the menu bars. So we will do a lot more things in the next lesson. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video, and bye-bye.